Is flood. Flood in Assam. When we write this essay, we should define what flood is. What is flood? The areas which usually remain dry are covered with a huge amount of water due to heavy rainfall or the rising of the water level of a sea or ocean located nearby. It is called flood. In Assam, flood takes place every year in rainy season. The causes of this flood situation that takes place in Assam are number one, heavy rainfall. Uh, generally, rainfall occurs throughout the year in Assam, but in rainy season, in monsoon season, rainfall occurs heavily in this region. As a result, the rivers and their tributaries present in the Assam overflows, and the overflow of water in the river submerges the adjoining areas with water, and it is called flood. This is number one. Number two, the you see presence of river in the state. So many two big rivers are there, two major rivers. One is the Brahmaputra, and the other is the Barak. And these are the two main regions, and they have more than 80 tributaries, a smaller river that flows into them. These rivers create in rainy season. These rivers overflow. Therefore, and these rivers are the network of these rivers are scattered in every nook and corner of the state. When rainfall occurs, the water level of these rivers increases, and the water level increasement in the water level of the rivers creates flood all around the state. Third reason is Assam is surrounded by hills and plateaus from three sides, north, south, and east. But and it is open towards Bangladesh in the west. When rainfall takes place, what happens? During rainfall, the rainwater that fall on the hills and plateaus, they flows down to the ground in the valleys. As a result, the flood occurs in the state. The whole state is like a basin, as it is covered by hills and plateaus from three sides. There, it is like a basin. Next one, effect. The almost all the districts of the state are affected badly. You see affected by flood in rainy season, just as Tinsukia district, Dibrugarh district, Dhubri district, Jorhat, Guwahati itself. The you see these places. You see Nalbari. These are the places. Almost all the districts, and when it is no less than a nightmare when it comes. It destroys transport and communication system of the state, wildlife of the state. In Kaziranga National Park, we through newspaper come to know several wild animals die due to flood water. And aftermath of the flood is very terrorizing when epidemic breaks out due to the overbreeding of the mosquitoes in during rainy season, during flood. Last point is uh, what are the you see good effects of flood. Good effects also. It is Flood is not only destructive, it is constructive also. The constructive effect is that during flood plains are created, and flood plains are built of alluvial soil, formed by alluvial soil. These alluvial soil are very fertile, and they help in growing different types of crops fertile in fertile plain. Then it is helpful for the agriculturist, for the farmers. Next is you know, uh, uh, ground water level increases in arid zone, in desert areas. uh, you see you see thousands of feet deep groundwater is found, and it becomes difficult for the people to get tube well to get water from tube well, because the water level is very deep. In Assam, due to such situation, heavy rainfall, flood, and presence of river, the groundwater level never goes so deep. You can have water uh, within 40 feet of the surface of the earth. We can have water. Then water level increases. Next thing is, third, the smaller water bodies, just as we have ponds, tanks, you see traditional wells, you see pisciculture, someone has developed. For these activities, for these smaller water bodies, water becomes available. It is due to the flood in Assam. Then no phenomena is associated with only good effects or only bad effects. Good and bad effects are associated with all natural phenomena. Then this is students may write regarding the flood in Assam. Next topic what we will have, we will discuss next.